Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about light. Brought to you to answer any of your common questions. Light. What can we do without it? We can't see, our earth wouldn't be warmed, in fact nothing would happen. Light even provides us with energy. Energy! Can you believe it? The sun is our main source of energy. The sun has so much energy that it burns 10 times the Earth's mass in just 1 second. A lot of energy! It's made up of hydrogen atoms, which in fact fuse to become helium atoms. When this fusion happens, it releases a lot of energy, and all this energy gets projected out from the sun and towards our Earth. Today, scientists have generated something called a solar panel. This actually harnesses that sun's energy and turns it into electricity for ourselves. Solar panels can be all shapes and sizes. This allows for different light collection at different intensities. For example, I can simply take this solar panel, hold it up to this light in my room, and I can actually produce power. I'm going to prove this to you. First, I'm going to take my handy dandy multimeter and turn it on to a very low voltage because my room light doesn't actually produce that much power. If we're doing this with sunlight, it would produce quite a bit more power. Now I'm going to take two ends, a black end and a red end, and connect it up to the ends of the solar panel, which I have placed beside me here on my bed. First, connect one side to one, the other side to the other. To prove to you, I'm actually producing power right now. This is 4.8 millivolts. Not very much, but considering my solar panel is sitting on my bed right there. And my bedroom light is what's producing the energy. Of course, this little solar panel right here isn't going to produce that much energy on its own anyways. I'm going to show you a project which is actually going on right now that produces a large amount of power. And this is actually simply done just by rooftop solar panels. A company called Skyfire Energy puts solar panels on rooftops. Large solar panels, in fact, that produce a lot of power. One such company that's actually using these solar panels is a campground called Onanole RV Park and Campground. This Onanole campground installed them on October 17th, 2012. Currently the date is December 3rd, 2012. In that short period of time, the amount of wattage that's actually coming out of the solar panels is quite large considering it's snow season right now.
Wow!
In fact, those solar panels have produced 241 kilowatt hours. That's a lot. To compare this for you, using a 60 watt light bulb for 1 hour uses 0.06 kilowatt hours. This campground has currently produced enough power in these last 2.5 months to power 8 houses for 1 day. Ooh. The carbon offset of this is 366 pounds of carbon. This is the equivalent of offsetting 4 trees worth of carbon effort. Now, like I said, this is during the winter, so it's not actually producing a lot of energy right now. In fact, today's energy was only 15 watt hours. That's because all the solar panels will be covered in snow. But really, if you look at that in perspective, the solar panels are covered in snow and still producing energy. That goes to show you that light's energy blasts through anything. Thank you for joining me today on a basic solar energy project that just one small company can start on. Can you imagine if every company got in on this? That, of course, would be fantastic. I look forward to talking to you next time on The Topo Show. Brought to you in part by Ryan's Room.